It's Wednesday, February 27th. These are the activities for digital media. So in the stream, you're going to notice that I've posted the agenda for the day, and we are continuing with Google Sites. The first thing you're supposed to do at the beginning of class is to complete and to submit my awesome Google site. The next thing you're going to do is begin the Create a Website project. And this is a project that I introduced to you on Tuesday. The instructions, the supplements, and these are your video directions. They're all in Google Classroom. Again, I reviewed the expectations on February 26th. So let's take a look at some of the expectations of the project. So you are going to design web pages that will create a website. Topic is your choice. It must be school appropriate. These elements are required. There has to be at least 3 different web pages, and they have to have links to each other. Again, that's just your navigation. Next, you need to have 1 or more graphics from the internet or clip art, at least 1 or more on every page. Web pages consist of much more than just information. They're very visual. 1 or more pictures with descriptive text from the internet or from files. So descriptive text, that's a piece of information that's located directly underneath a picture. An example of this is going to be pictures that you often see in textbooks. 1 or more hyperlinks to another website. So for example, if I'm doing a website on, we'll say Savannah, Georgia, I may have one of my pages that talks about surrounding sites or cities, things to do, things like that. So I could have a hyperlink that goes to a page about Tybee Island. 2 or more hyperlinks to different locations within the same web page. So for example, return to the top. 1 or more links to an email, we'll say an email address. It can be real or fictional, so you may include your school email address if you like. You will have to create or copy and paste tables and insert those on your pages. So for example, a table that I may use on a site that's about Savannah could be about average temperature throughout the year. Now, scrolling text, really what I want you to do here is make sure on at least 2 of the 3 pages that you're using your embedding information. A background with texture, with colors, picture, image. Don't do all those things, but do something with the background. Make sure that it looks appropriate, that it's eye-catching, and it definitely goes with your theme. And then your font color, again, should be compatible with your background. If you have any questions about these requirements, please feel free to see me. I'm available almost every morning at 8:25 and after school by appointment.